Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So today we are making a blueberry smoothie. So what you need for this recipe is almond milk or water for the base. We're going to pour that in. Now we need a frozen banana. We need some blueberries, the key ingredient. We need some chia seeds. We need a thumbnail of ginger. I call it a thumbnail because it's so tiny. You can use more or less, whatever you prefer, because it has a strong scent. You need 4 ice cubes. And you need a shake or so of cinnamon. More or less, whatever you prefer. Now, we're gonna put it on. And I didn't mention that the milk makes it creamy. So we get our glass and do this. And let's try it. Oh, now this is a great breakfast smoothie. This will get your day starting. And this is great for like when you're in a rush and you just need to get on the road and you just take this. So remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And see you next time, guys. Bye.